There's certainly been a number of large verdicts in the legal community in the state of Texas across the U.S. in the last 6 months to a year. We've seen verdicts in Corpus Christi, in Houston, and in San Antonio, East Texas, and even in West Texas. We've seen verdicts in the tens of millions of dollars. We've seen verdicts in the hundreds of millions of dollars, and we've seen 2 verdicts that are in the billions of dollars. Our legal industry, cases decided by juries, is a very unique privilege that we have in this country that all countries do not have. I'm an absolute, overwhelming believer in our judicial system and in our jury system. What large, or what people like to term nuclear verdicts, do to this process is it creates a fear amongst defendants across all walks of business that they cannot trust or place their faith in what 12 or what 6 ladies and gentlemen on a jury might do. Therefore, it causes more cases to result in resolution or settlement as opposed to jury determination. Settling cases when there's a legitimate dispute between parties is probably a very good thing. But having fear amongst all walks of business or individuals in the judicial process is not a good thing. I think people need to be able to trust and to be able to believe in their jurors and in the judicial system to arrive at right and fair answers to the questions that are presented. Now, I am finally a huge believer in the fact that even now at this point in time, when people say that there are nuclear verdicts and I'm scared and we can't be involved in this process and we need to not try any lawsuits, I think it is the wrong approach. The vast majority of the time, even today, look up the statistics. By and large, 98% of the time, if you put the case in the hands of 12 ladies and gentlemen in any venue, they will arrive at the correct answer. I think we'll see in 2023 that it will calm down somewhat. Fears about the trying lawsuits will calm down somewhat, and we'll get back to a more logical, reasonable routine of looking at lawsuits, making determinations not based on fear, but based on fact, and trusting these cases to jurors again to decide.